Hello, my beloved friends. Welcome to Mass Genus. This moment we have this Olympiad mass on the board. It says 10 raised to the power of n minus 9 raised to the power of n is equal to 19. Here we are required to find the value of n. That is, finding the value of n that will satisfy the both sides of the equation. So let's go. We write solution. We have 10 raised to the power of n minus 9 raised to the power of n equals to 19. So this equation can still be expressed in this form. 10 raised to the power of n minus 9 raised to the power of n equals to 19. I'll be using dots to represent multiplication. So when you say 19 multiplied by 1 will give you 19. And when you look at it, the equation still remain how it is. So now you will discover that this equation in this form, 10 raised to the power of n minus 9 raised to the power of n, is still the same thing as 10 plus 9, and you have 10 minus 9. When you say 10 minus 9 is still the same thing as 1, and 10 plus 9 is still the same thing as 19. So we are solving systematically so that we'll be able to get the better way to actualize our n. So when you now multiply this bracket with this bracket, you will still get 19 multiplied by 1. So from here, remember that I told you that we have what we call the difference of two squares. When you have a plus b and a minus b, it is the same thing as a raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2. So when you look at this place, it is the same thing as what we call the difference of two squares. So what it means is that the equation is going to be in this form when you have 10 raised to power m minus 9 raised to power n is equals to, you have 10 raised to power 2 minus 9 raised to power 2. Are you seeing it? Because the difference of two square in this form, a plus b and a minus b, is still the same thing as this form. So if you expand this bracket, you are going to get 10 raised to power 2 minus 9 raised to power 2. And when you expand the bracket, you are still going to get the equation this way it is. So by the theory of comparison, you will see that we have 10 here, and we have 10 here, and we have minus 9 here, and we have minus 9 here. So the value of m here is equals to 2, and the value of m here is equals to 2. So by the theory of comparison, the value of n becomes equals to 2. So I don't know if you did not get exactly what we have done. There is still chance for you to ask me questions on the comment section. So thank you, and we'll continue some other times. Bye-bye.